AVGO stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch the short brief 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person and only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With Broadcom Incorporated, I'm here to tell you is that I'm looking to double down. Bro, this is one of my most favorite freaking callouts that I've called out here. Let me show you the literal proof. I mean, because I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and it's again all documented. Specifically AVGO, this was made 1 month ago on April Fool's Day. 166 at the time, aiming to 250, and it went from 166. Now it's 228. On the gray wave up, I'm just looking to double down even more. This means if I see the price correcting a little bit down, and then, you know, that swing is in mind, like it's already risk-free. I do genuinely think we're just going to rip up through the highs. So I do still look to double down and add even more, as long as I can, right? So in this case, only if I see the confirmation, only then I'm going to look to double down and buy. Other than that, if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.